Let's learn how to activate your face paint with water and how to properly load your brushes so that you can enjoy your painting experience. I'm using my Wolf white face paint, my cup of water, my handy dandy sponge for wiping my brushes, and a number 2 round brush. You can use any brush that you have in any face paint that you have. Let's go! The first thing we're going to do is dip your brush into the cup, but just the bristles, not the whole cup. All you want to wet is the bristles. Here's a close-up. You can see that I'm just dipping the bristles in there. Now we're going to start dropping droplets of water into the face paint. Over time, I create these little wells so that I can work the water into the paint and activate it. If I don't spend enough time activating the paint with water, then I'm going to show you what happens. You can see that when I paint on my skin, the paint is kind of translucent and runny. You don't want that. So let's go back and keep activating the paint just a little bit longer. I'm showing you this in real time. This is not sped up or slowed down. This is exactly how long I take. Sometimes I do it several times, but believe me, it's worth it because once you nail the consistency, you're going to be able to paint and paint and paint without having to reload your brush. So here I'm getting a little bit closer. Might want to activate it just a little bit more. It usually takes the longest the first time you activate your paint. So now you can see with properly activated paint, it's nice and opaque, flowy, and you can paint in any direction. And now it's time to take action so you can learn better. Take what you learned today and practice it for 5 to 10 minutes. Let me know how it went in the comments.